we need to go perform single tap connections with shower. To the left, we can see the schematic diagram. So from the diagram, we have different materials are connected to complete the single tap connection with shower. The connections are performed with the help of certain tools like pipe cutter, pipe vise, die set with handle, hammer, pipe wrench, and scale. For the connections, the different materials used are half an inch elbow, half an inch coupling, half an inch gate valve, half an inch GI pipe. GI refers to galvanized iron. Half an inch union, T joint, ball valve, half an inch bend, and shower. We have different quantities of material which are connected together to complete single tap connection with shower. So now we can see the GI pipe having male thread at both ends. If the thread is found in the pipe in its inside face, we call it as a female thread. As the thread is available at the outside face of pipe, we call it as male thread. So all the pipes used in our connections are male threaded GI pipes. Next, we have T joint, elbows, union, reducer. The purpose of reducer is to connect two pipes of variable diameter. A PVC tap. So these are the different sizes of GI pipes required for completing the connections. So this is a regulation valve. So this regulating valve is used to regulate the flow of water in pipe. So at the top of the valve we can see the wheel. So controlling the wheel, we can regulate the flow of water in pipe. So here we have the gate valve. It is called as ball valve. So this is also called as open and close valve. So inside the valve we can see a ball. That's why it is called as ball valve. And finally, shower. So these are the entire set of materials which are required to perform single tap connection with shower. So using these materials with reference to the diagram, now we can go for performing the connections. From the diagram, we have a T joint at the top which act like a vent valve, followed by a straight pipe connected with a T joint, which in turn is connected with the straight pipe and with the regulating valve. So with reference to the diagram, we have the connection, that is reducer. So as I told before, the purpose of reducer is to connect pipes of variable diameter. So here we can see the pipe at the top end is of higher diameter when compared to the pipe connected at the lower end. So with reference to the diagram, we have an elbow joint connected with a straight pipe. A union is being fixed and union purpose is to connect pipes of similar diameter. Now we connect an elbow next with a straight pipe connected with a T-joint. So with reference to the diagram, now we are going to fit the PVC tap in the T-joint. Next to that, we are connecting the valve as per the diagram, that is the gate valve. As I told, it is an open and close valve. Connected with a straight pipe with an elbow, and with reference to the diagram, we have the elbow in connection and the shower is fitted. So this is about your single tap connection with shower, and these connections are made with reference to the schematic diagram. And I want to explain the purpose of the gate valve. So in houses, in our bathrooms, we have this valve in a knob like arrangement, and this can be operated when we are in need of shower. And similarly, this can be used to control the flow in shower. So when we want to disconnect your shower, we can use the valve and the position will be in a closed position. So now we have completed the single tap connection with shower with reference to the diagram. Thank you.